Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Avax price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Avax charts, which at the time of this recording has continued to hold above a key area of support at around the $14.78 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the daily chart and also continued to obey the Elliot structures. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Avax chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to start the video here on the daily chart by first giving you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that Avax, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upper side, seeing the all-time high at around the $148 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of an explosive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $247.61 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Avax to do here on the long-term scenarios. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, basing it on the Elliott wave structures, you can see that after making our lower low at around the $10.51 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upper side of being the Elliott wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliott wave structure in red, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $22.84 mark. And after seeing the formation of this 5-wave structure, I believe Avax completed an even larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side, so we can term this 5-wave structure to the upper side as a larger Elliott wave count 1, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $16.75 mark and the $13.27 mark, which I have marked here on the chart using this red target area. And it is within this red target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave to the lower side. And in the formation of that wave 2, I'm also expecting to see this ABC corrective structure because of the corrective nature in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. So once we fully maximize our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this ABC corrective structure over here, I'll be terming this as a larger Elliott wave count 2 to the lower side, and it is within this red target area that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave. And since we are holding above a key area of support at around the $14.78 mark, and we have also managed to get into the minimum retracement area, there are chances that we might start gearing up, see a break above the 20-day MA, and continue pushing even higher in what could be the start of the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. And that is because we have managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, and in case we continue gearing up and also have confirmations that we have also seen the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2, there are chances that that could be the start of the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. But in case we continue holding below the 20-day MA, continue seeing the breakdown and also lose our key area of support at around the $14.78 mark, and maybe once we manage to lose that key area of support, we see a retest of that key area of support, then there are chances that we might fully maximize this red target area and get back to the fib level 0.78 at around the $13.37 mark. And once we fully maximize that target area, then that will be enough confirmation that we have seen the low for that second wave. But in case we lose the fib level 0.78, which is the lower side of this red target area, then that will be putting a major challenge on the formation of this 1-2 setup that we are seeing over here, and there are chances that that wave 3 to the upper side might not play out. But in case we continue holding within this red target area, then I'm expecting to see the low for this second wave and expect a reversal to the upper side in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 32 mark, meaning there are chances that in case the reversal starts, that movement will be supported here on the RSI. but in case the breakdown continues, that movement also here on the RSLs to be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross, fully supporting further breakdown here on the Avax chart. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.